Hello guys, this is Lauren and today is the part 2 of the garden renovation. So um, yeah, I hope you like this video. Maybe I'm gonna half finish today with my garden, and I'm gonna show you a little bit what I've done a bit yesterday, and I didn't film it because it's just a small part, but now I'm gonna continue it and please watch. So guys, this is what I did yesterday. I don't have video about it because it was just a short time. Yeah, this is only the half of the raised bed. This is just what to tell you what my plan about it. So these are stones, and then the raised bed will gonna on top of them, so that the timber or the wood will not gonna touch the soil, and for that I think it will prevent the raised bed for rotting. So yeah, but yeah, it's only my theory. I hope it will work, but if it's not, it's okay. The materials that I use here are not expensive. Yeah, this is it. So today I want to continue this raised beds construction. So stay tuned guys, and let's see. guys, I'm going to assemble the raised beds, and I need these pins to connect every profile or every piece. So I'm going to connect this one here so that it will be complete. So guys, this bed will gonna look like this. So at least, yeah, now it's about 40 centimeters deep. So guys, I'm done for today. Here are the raised bed now. They are placed in on the top of the stones, but the stones are not yet leveled. So maybe tomorrow, if the sun shines again, then I'm gonna continue it, and then I'm gonna put this one inside the raised beds. This is a plastic thing. I can translate it right now. Raised bed, I don't know. So it will be like that, and yeah. So the plastic thing is until here, on the stone part, so that the soil will not go to the timber. So they look nice, guys. Here is our entrance at the back of the house. Just like that. Sometimes people think that this is only a garden, there's no house inside, but there's a house there. So yeah, they looks like what I had planned. So maybe we still have a part 3, guys, and wait for it. Maybe the putting of the plastic thing for the protection, and filling them with soil. So guys, that's the part 2 of renovating the garden, and that's it for today. So guys, thank you very much for watching the part 2 of renovating the garden, and yeah, please watch for the part 3. And so guys, thank you to all of you, to all the people who watch my channel. If you have your own channel, please just comment below and I'm gonna sub you back. Of course, if you will, you can also sub me or subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much in advance. God bless you all. I'm Lauren. Bye bye.